2. Now it is time to install the required plugins, Elementor, Elementor Pro and Envato Elements. Now that we installed WordPress successfully, let's upload the requested plugins and theme. First let's install the default Elementor theme, which is called Hello. So head up to Appearance, Themes, Add New, and in the search bar type Hello. After that click on Install and then on Activate. A pro tip here, delete all the other themes that you are not going to use, because they are a security issue. Now let's install Elementor and Envato Elements. Head up to Plugins, Add New, search for Elementor and then click on Install Now and then activate the plugin. After that, head up to Elementor website, link is in the description of the video, and buy the Pro version because the default version is limited, and then download it from your Elementor account and in the WP admin dashboard click on Upload plugin, upload it from your computer and then click on Activate. Now it is time to connect your Elementor Pro account with your website, so click on Connect and Activate. And now let's install and activate the Envato Elements plugin. For that go to Plugins, Add New, search for Envato Elements in the search bar and install now and activate. Make sure to subscribe the Envato Elements, link is in the description, and access unlimited digital assets, WordPress themes, Elementor kits, stock photos, stock videos and much more. Now head to your Envato Elements account and copy the token key they provide and activate the plugin.